Okay, so for this video we're doing 3 examples for prisms and cubes. And so for my first example, I'm doing a cube. So I already have everything filled in. I'm just going to explain the steps for this one. So for my cube, my 2 formulas are for lateral 4s squared and for total surface area 6s squared. My 7 is my side length. It's a cube, that means the length, the width, and the height, they're all 7. So s is 7. All you have to do here is replace your s in both formulas with the 7. Once you do that, you can type that in your calculator. So 7 squared is 49 times 4, that's 196. And then for this one, 7 squared is 49 times 6, that's 294. So cubes are really easy. All you do is replace your s with the side length. Okay, for examples 2 and 1, I have prisms, so I'm using different formulas. So I'm going to go one by one, even though it's already filled in, and explain one by one what they are. So for my prism, my base is a triangle because it says it in the name, triangular prism, that means triangle. So I outline my 2 bases, and the height is always the distance between them. So that 15 is the height. That's why I have 15 right there. P stands for perimeter of the base, and so I have to add up the 3 sides of my triangle. So 3 plus 4 plus 5, that gave me 12. B stands for area of the base, and so your formula for the B changes depending on what the shape of your base is. Since my bases are triangles, I'm using the formula for the area of a triangle, which is base times height divided by 2. Base for my purple triangle is 4. Height for my purple triangle is 3. And then divided by 2, that gives me 6. Lateral surface area, the formula is P times H. Perimeter I had is 12. Height I have is 15. I multiply those 2 numbers, I get 180. And then my final formula, 192, was my final answer. I got that by adding the lateral, which is 180, and 2 times B. So 2 times my 6. I just plugged in, and I got 192. Okay. Last example, example 1. I'm going backwards. It's a rectangular prism, and so again, the bases are the front and the back, so I outline those. The height is the distance between them, so that's 12. P is perimeter of my base, so I outline my base. All I had to do was add up all the sides. 4 plus 8 plus 4 plus 8, and I got 24. B stands for area of the base, and so this is the formula that changes. Now I have a rectangle as my base, so my formula is just base times height. So the base of the rectangle is 8, and the height of that purple rectangle is 4. So 8 times 4, that's 32. And then for lateral surface area, P times H, so I multiply 24 times 12. Those are my 2 numbers. I got 288. And then my last one, I got L plus 2B. So 288 plus 2 times the 32 from here, and I got 352. And both of those units should be squared because it's area, and then this one is squared also. And that's it.